How do we say I saw? Ahụrụ. And how do we say here? Eba. Now, if rat is okay, how do we say I saw a rat here? Ahụrụ okay. Eba. What is the word for you in Igbo? Gi. So how do we say I saw you? Ahụrụ gi. Good. Now, let's say I saw you yesterday. That would be what? Ahụrụ gi ụnyaahụ. Ahụrụ gi ụnyaahụ. Let's say I saw you at the market. How do we say I saw you at the market yesterday? Market is ahia. So I saw you at the market yesterday. Ahụrụ gi n'ahịa ụnyaahụ. Na is the word for in, at, on in Igbo. So anytime you want to say anything that has to do with in, on, or at, just throw na and it works. So ahụrụ gi n'ahịa ụnyaahụ. I saw you at the market yesterday. Now, if we say ahụrụ gi instead of n'ahịa and we use n'anya, what would it mean? Ahụrụ gi n'anya. Leave in a comment.